Hello everyone. This video is about the survey evaluation module for Eventpedia mobile app. First of all, you have to turn on the survey module. Once it's turned on in the design manager, and you will see the survey module show up on the left hand side. When you click on it, you will see all the surveys you have created from the past, because the survey is linked to your organization and not linked to an event. So you'll be able to use the same survey throughout different events. So we're using this as an example called session evaluation. Let's say you already created this one, your intention is to use this for your sessions. So when you create it, you'll be able to say, give it a title and description. And then you can also display the demographic page, which means if the user is logged in, you can show this user's contact information and name. Usually clients just skip this, don't show the demographics, because if you are logged in, we'll be able to capture who actually answered what for each individual survey question. And you can also decide if this survey is tied to the overall conference or is tied to a particular session or multiple sessions. So in this particular case, this is for, you want to use it for sessions. So once you're in there, and then you can also, after you create a survey, you can have some kind of pre-survey message, which means, we actually allow you to create an open, when the survey is available, the open, and when the survey is closed, right? So you have an open date, open time, close date, and close time. So you'll be able to define when the users can access the survey. So, if they are they're trying to access before the survey opens, you can say, you can have a message here. If they access when the survey is closed, you can also configure this message as well. So once you have done that setting, you can create questions. You can see we actually have 6 questions here. How would you rate this? So every question, when you create a question, you give it a question text, and then what is the question or answer type, if you will. That you can do a scale rating, you can do a drop down, or you can do a multiple choice, multiple answer, multiple choice, single answer, scale rating, and the text box, which is the open text box. Okay, so if you pick a scale rating, you can go what is the minimum and the maximum, and then you can have some text underneath it. Like for instance, if this one, would you come back next time? You can make it into a drop down to say, yeah, your value will be divided by commas, yes, no, or not sure. And you can say, please provide us with your feedback, so you can actually have open text box there. Okay. Now you can actually link the survey to, we're displaying all the sessions here. You can display or say, hey, multiple sessions can have this survey. So it's totally up to you how you want to assign this survey to just one session or multiple sessions. All depends on your business logic. So the recommendation to you is you can create a very generic session evaluation, which means you can talk about you think the speakers have done a good job, rather than you name the speaker name. If you actually have the speaker name there, you really need to have an individual survey just for that particular session. Otherwise, you can use generic terms. How do you like the content material? Does it help you at work? And not to have anything specific to that session. So once you have done that, and you save, and we are already assigned that to those multiple sessions, let's look at how is that being presented. So you look at this is the mobile app. We have assigned that survey to this particular session. So when you come into the session profile here, you actually see now there's a survey area evaluations. If you come in there, you can actually see a session can have multiple surveys if you like. Of course, most of the clients only have one, but it's showing you the capability, flexibility of Eventpedia. So you see the session evaluations, and then you can come in here. You see this is the scale rating. You can drag the value, and then you can go next. How would you rate the quality of speakers, the audio video, right? So it's outstanding. and then what is your overall evaluations, outstanding, and then you can when you come back, you can see now I say yes, absolutely, and then go next. Provide us with your feedback. You can type in some text here. I learn a lot from this session. Thank you. And submit. So now this survey has been submitted. So you come in here, session evaluation, now is that completed. Okay, so you won't be able to do the same survey again. And back into the mobile content manager, and then you can go to there's a reports here, survey, poll evaluation, and then you can go survey, and then you pick, there's a session survey, and you're picking survey evaluations, and then you pick which session. This is the session. So then you can see some data here, and then you can run some PDFs, or you can download the data, right, the charts and such. So this is overall how you can use the survey module. Of course, you can see you can actually have survey at the overall conference level, rather than or in addition to the survey just inside each individual session. If you have any question, feel free to contact the Eventpedia team. We'll be more than to help you with further explanations. Thank you so much.